With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students, now we're going to see this question. The question says that an object is viewed with a light of wavelength 6000 Armstrong under a microscope of resolving power 10 to the power 4. The resolving power of the microscope when the same object is viewed in a light of wavelength 4000 Armstrong is n into 10 to the power 3. Okay, find the value of n. So we need to find the value of n. So firstly, what is resolving power of microscope? The resolving power is given by 2 into mu into sine theta upon 1.22 lambda. Okay, if you see over here, what is mu? Mu is the refractive index, theta is the angle, okay, and basically lambda is the wavelength, r is the resolving power. So if you see over here, for this case in this question, what are constant? Basically everything is constant except lambda. So from here you can get to the equation that r is directly proportional to 1 upon lambda. Okay, so over here, since it is directly proportional, so we can take two cases from here. Okay, means we know that when it is a proportionality, we can take two cases by dividing it. Okay, means ra, I'll show you how, divide is directly proportional to 1 by lambda a, and rb is directly proportional to 1 by lambda b. So we can divide these two equations. Why? Because this is a proportionality. Okay, so what we'll do, we will now divide this equation. So what we are going to get, we are going to get ra by rb, okay, must be equal to lambda b upon lambda a. Okay, over here, let's suppose the resolving power of a we need to find. Okay, let's suppose. Okay, so over here I'm writing ra is we need to find, so rb is equal to 10 to the power 4. Okay, you can see over here in the question itself it's given, and lambda b, okay, lambda b is 6000, lambda a is 4000. Okay, so lambda b is 6000 and lambda a is 4000. Since we are taking the ratio over here, you can see we are dividing both the wavelengths. So basically let's not take it in meters, because Armstrong and Armstrong units will get cancelled only. So over here what we're gonna do, so from here we are gonna put everything in the equation. So ra will be equal to what? Lambda a divided by lambda b divided by lambda a, okay, into rb. Okay, so basically this will come out to be what? We'll put everything in the equation now, all the values that are present. So lambda b is 6000, lambda a is 4000. Okay, basically and rb, what is rb basically over here? Basically lambda b, yeah, lambda a is 4000, rb is 10 to the power 4. Okay, so over here what you can see that this will get cancelled by this for a value of 3 and 2. Okay, so it will be 3 by 2 into 10 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, you can see say like this. Okay, so what will this come out to be? 2 and this will get cancelled by 5 times, so this will come out to be 15 into 10 to the power 3. Why did I find it in 10 to the power 3 format? Because over here n was we had to find n. Okay, so the value of n will be what? The value of n will be equal to 15. Got it? So this is basically our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.